The Food Service Exchange presents.
It's time to put the finishing touches on your Crown Verity outdoor kitchen. An electrical connection is needed for the LED lights and, in this case, the fridge. To power these components, you can plug into a GFCI circuit directly, an outdoor extension cord, or hardwire to an outdoor power supply. Working with a certified gas technician, make sure anyone who uses the grill is aware of the main shutoff valve's location. Once a gas technician has properly connected your grill, replace the back panels. Slide the panels up. The two tabs on top will fit into the upper slots. At the same time, ensure the keyholes on the back of the panels sit on top of the shoulder bolts. Now, fasten the included screws to the bottom. This will keep them in place. If you are adding a countertop to your kitchen, CAD drawings are available for precise measurements. Consult the owner's manual so you can have the countertop ready to install at the same time as setup. Now, with your gas and electricity connected, it's time to fire it up. Start with lighting the far right pilot knob, turning counterclockwise. Then press the ignition. This will light the pilot burner, which provides a direct flame to each individual burner. Now you can work your way down the grill and turn on all of the knobs to achieve your desired temperature. The process is the same for a side grill, and just below, inside the door, you'll see a rating plate and a label indicating which burner is the front and which is the back. If working with an installer, have them complete and sign the checklist at the back of the manual prior to using your grill. Congratulations! You are now able to enjoy your Crown Verity outdoor kitchen.